Are you a bookworm who loves collecting bookmarks? So do I. And while browsing through Pinterest, I discovered transparent bookmark. And now I have to get one. So let's make it at home. The materials required for this bookmark are chart paper, dehydrated flowers, and glass paper. If you want to know how to dehydrate flowers, then I have already uploaded a video on drying flowers. You can find the link in the description. Now that we have our materials ready, let's dive into the creative process of making a cute bookmark. Using a ruler, mark two rectangles of the same size. Cut them out. These will serve as the base of our bookmark. You can adjust the length to your preference. Within the cutout chart paper rectangles, make another smaller rectangle and cut it out. This will leave you with an outer frame of chart paper and the inside will be empty. Now measure and cut the glass paper to match the dimensions of the hole in the chart paper. You should have two identical glass rectangles because we'll be placing the flowers between them. Place one of the glass paper rectangles within the outline of square on the chart paper and secure it with glue. Artistically arrange the dehydrated flowers above the transparent glass. Use glue to secure the remaining cutout glass paper to the outline of the chart paper. Apply glue along the outline of both glass cutouts and stick them together in a way that the flowers are enclosed between the glass paper. If the sides are not properly glued, you can use a brush to apply additional glue to the gaps. Press the layers together with the help of a heavy book to ensure the glue remains secure. There you have it, your custom dehydrated flower bookmark is complete. Now you have a new addition to your collection of bookmarks. Happy reading!